Hey everyone, Ben Williamson here from InvestorHub here at the Ignite Summit Conference today in Hong Kong. And I've got Mohan Jesudason from X2M Connect. How you going?
I'm going well, thanks, Ben.
Yeah?
And congratulations, you got my name perfect. So
Perfect.
there you go.
There you go. Well, first time's a charm. There we are. No need to recut. We're good. So yeah, are you enjoying yourself here? You had a good day yesterday?
I am. Look, it's always good when you get out into the coalface, when you're meeting investors, you're meeting even potential customers, you're meeting other people in similar industries with similar options and similar challenges, and sitting down and chatting. It's really good.
Yeah, awesome. Getting in front of people's obviously important.
Yeah.
So I guess give us a bit of a background on X2M. Give us the overview, the elevator pitch, if you will.
So X2M is an aggregator of data for industrial automation and artificial intelligence applications. A speciality is that we can collect large volumes of data from a wide variety of sources and then go back and control end devices, machines, batteries, sensors, without any human intervention. It's a massive market, Ben.
Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
And I guess, you know, obviously it's big. And as you're talking to people yesterday, you had a full day yesterday of institutional style investors. What are they getting really excited about? What are they double clicking on?
Look, the whole world of data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, is huge, and everyone knows it. And what a lot of investors out there have been trying to glean from us is our role in that equation and how much value can we capture. And of course, we're a platform player. We're the enabler of a lot of that.
Yes.
And so that's where a lot of the focus is, and that's where a lot of the excitement's been.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And you've recently just had a bit of news come out on a new launch.
We have two core businesses within X2M. One is digitizing utilities. That's our established business. It's a decade-old, large customer base, repeat orders, trucking along really nicely. The demand for data amongst those customers has just grown exponentially. Last month we launched Hive.ai by X2M. Hive is a AI platform for the renewable energy sector, and its focus is enhancing the productivity of renewable assets and of course improving the cost base of operators.
Yeah, fantastic. And you spoke briefly then about your partners, but you've got quite a few partners, don't you?
Yes, we do. So look, Ben, we made a deliberate decision almost a decade ago to be very targeted as to who we wanted as partners, to work with substantial organisations. So that it takes longer. And in the last 12 months, we have established a number of strategic partnerships. The most recent one was with Sirius Digitech. They're in the business of artificial intelligence. They're a joint venture between Adani and IHC in Abu Dhabi, which is a listed company over there. And the partnership is such that they bring in to us a whole range of AI applications. We provide the platform that sucks up the data, that enables all of that to work, and then we take it to Asia, they take it to their markets.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
it seems like a good partnership, right?
It's a good partnership. It's been a number of years in the making.
Yep.
And a quality organisation.
So unpacking all this for investors yesterday and again today, what's the response been like in the room?
The response has been really good. So the company is not a startup, it's an established company, and I think investors are realising that all the risks to a new company is behind it. So the platform's built, we've got real customers, we've got real revenues, we've got a line of sight to profitability, we're building a substantial business in a large growth market, and they're seeing the potential for this company to pivot to a very different level as a scaled player in software for artificial intelligence. And I think that's capturing a lot of attention.
Fantastic. So if someone's sitting at home, they've done their research, they like the story, they're thinking about investing, why should they invest now rather than waiting 6 or 12 months?
Well, so I'm not in the business of giving investment advice.
No.
But can I...
Disclaimers. Yeah.
But if I can make just a few observations. I think you're always fraught with danger if you're trying to pick timing of when to get into an investment. And I always, for my personal portfolio, I look at time in the investment rather than timing. That's the first thing. Why is it not? What's attractive about it now? What's attractive is that the company is proven. It's proven itself that it can go into new markets, it can build businesses, build brands, build channels. It's getting to a point of profitability, and it's getting into a substantially larger environment with large partners. And do you really want to sit there and say you missed the boat?
That's fair enough, yeah. That's great. And so if people were interested, if they wanted to reach out, say they've got a follow-up question or the like and connect, what's the best way that they can get in touch?
Drop us a note at investor.relations@x2mconnect.com and then we'll circle back with you. We're not hard to find. We're in LinkedIn, we're in social media.
Yep.
And we'd love to talk to you.
Perfect. Thanks very much, man.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.